Hi there, this is Matt and Angela doing some simultaneous equations with you. So there are previous ones to do which are slightly easier than this, but I thought I'd take you to this. So the whole point is to find the value for x and y. So we need to make these equations so that they say the same number of x's or the same number of y's, and then we can eliminate. Okay, so I'm looking at the x's here because they're both positive, and therefore it makes it's a bit difficult when you've got negatives, but you can do it with the y's. So I'm looking for the lowest common multiple of 6 and 4. In other words, the smallest number they will both go into, and that is 12. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2 to turn that into 12x, and I'm going to multiply this one by 3 to turn that also into 12x. So my two new equations are 12x, and then I'm timesing this by 2, so I end up with minus 4y. Okay, and then I end up with 66 at the end. Okay, so that's this times by 2. And then this one times by 3 gives me 12x, so I can eliminate them, plus 9y, and then I have 27 at the end. Okay then, so to eliminate x, I'm going to take these away from one another. So 12x take away 12x ends up with 0, so that's eliminated. Now you've got to read these carefully. So I've got minus 4y, take away positive 9y. So the take away positive overrides, I write here, so minus 4y, take away positive 9y. So these two here will be replaced with a negative. So 4. Okay. So 4 minus 4y take away 9y will leave me with minus 13y. Okay. And if I take these away, I end up with 39, which is not bad because 13 goes into 39. So y is equal to 39 divided by minus 13, which gives us minus 3. So that's my first value. And then all I'm going to do now is substitute in y equals minus 3 into one of these original equations. I'm going to use the bottom one because it's positive. So I've got 4x plus 3y equals 9. So I'm going to sub in this. So I've got 4x plus 3 times minus 3 equals 9. So that's 4x, and this will be minus 9 equals 9. And then I'm going to plus 9 to both sides, end up with 18, and then I'm going to divide, so 18 over 4, which you can cancel down to 9 over 2, which as a decimal, if you want to write it, is 4.5. Okay, and they're your two values for x and y. Hopefully that was helpful. Have a go at the other questions. Bye.